The Secret Door. Diana loved the library. It was quiet, with tall shelves and the nice smell of books. Every Saturday she ran to the children's section. Her eyes sparkled with excitement. One sunny Saturday, Diana was looking for a book about dragons. Then she saw something strange. Behind an old, dusty shelf was a tiny crack in the wall. It looked like the shape of a small door. Diana pushed and pulled. She wiggled and jiggled. She even knocked softly. But the little door did not move. It was stuck tight, like a secret that wanted to stay hidden. "Excuse me, Mrs. Willow?" Diana asked the kind librarian. "Do you know about any secret doors in the library?" Mrs. Willow, who knew a lot about books, thought for a moment. "A secret door, dear? I've never heard of one," she said with a gentle smile. Diana went back to the little door. "How do you open? Are you magic?" she asked louder. She tried, "Please open," and "Open, door." But the door stayed closed. Diana remembered her teacher once said, "The best way to learn is to ask questions." So she asked the little door, "What stories do you like, secret door? What adventures are waiting behind you?" Then Diana got an idea. She took a deep breath and asked, "What wonderful things could I learn if I stepped through you, secret door?" Right away, a soft, warm glow shone around the door's outline. Slowly, with a small creak, the secret door began to open. It was not very big, just enough for Diana to peek inside. A soft light and a gentle breeze came from within. Diana stepped through the door and saw a swirling tunnel of colors. It felt like flying through a rainbow. On the other side, she found a glowing room full of floating books. Each book sparkled with its own story. Diana spent a long time in the magical room, learning many amazing things from the floating books. She saw that the secret door was more than a door. It was a reminder that asking questions and being curious can bring the most wonderful adventures.